Flogger.
Didn't see you at breakfast.
No, I got up too late. Just had a pie on the way in. What the? This is 55 mil. These are 60 mil nuts, numbnuts.
You never said 60 mil.
Yeah, you should know it's 60 mil. Hurry up, I'm too tired for this shit.
Don't take it out on me that you don't sleep properly. Sort your shit out.
You were just shitty because you were on the piss last night.
So are you.
Oh yeah, I'm better at it though.
Here.
You're always stressing on me anyway. Ooh.
Heads.
You were supposed to put tool lanyards on them.
Why did you use them without a lanyard?
Your job. I brought all the gear up the ladder.
Here, there's another one. What did you do that for, Sizzlehead? You could have got the crane to drop them up in a cage. Hey, aren't we meant to be on 002?
Righto, double check. HPG 002. Flogger, please, mate.
55 mil?
60.
Oh, nice catch.
Cracking day.
Beautiful. Everyone knows about mental health, but how's the mental fitness on your side? Hard Mind Labs, comprehensive service will sort you out. Details through the link.